doing today. Hope you're doing very well and you're doing great. So, you're welcome to my channel, Time Out with Cleopatra, and I'm Cleopatra Noble. So, today we're going to talk about our diet check. Yeah, our diet check. As you all know, eating alone does not constitute our diet. It's the people you spend time with, the media you consume, and the books you read. So consider carefully what you put into your body on the emotional, the spiritual, and the physical level. Now, just as junk food may make us feel lazy, so can poisonous relationships, bad thoughts, or endlessly reading through depressing content on social media. So it can leave us mentally or emotionally spent. Now, consumption extends beyond food and includes the shows we watch, the books we read, the music we listen to, and also the company we keep. Now, it's understandable when we begin to feel emotionally or intellectually burdened if we are consistently consuming stress, negativity, or even drama. So, however, when we deliberately surround ourselves with positive people, positive content, and encouraging surroundings, our brains and souls are nourished in ways that makes life more purposeful and makes life more lighter. Now, it involves paying attention to everything we consume, not only what is physically there, but also what is spiritually and what is emotionally there. Therefore, perhaps it's time for a quick diet check, as we may reduce the amount of unhealthy snacks or unhealthy foods we eat. We can also begin to identify the items that are sapping our energy or better still impeding our progress and replace them with things that promote growth and well-being. So a balance is the key, don't you think? Well, besties, so it's time for us to check our diets. What exactly do we consume? And let us find ways to balance it. So, besties, we've come to the end of today's episode. So, until we meet again, stay out of trouble and do not forget to like, do not forget to share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So, until we see again, stay good, stay out of trouble, and be good. Cheers.